What's going on, everybody? Jump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy and having a great day. As you guys can see, I got some GPUs on the table still, and this contraption is still up and running. I have 11 cards on my test bench, and I'm totally shocked it's working and stable. These are the four-way splitters on the risers. I don't know if you guys saw that short, but I stayed up till like 1 in the morning, and I was trying to figure out if this would work, and it it does. I'm just blown away. So looking at one of these splitters, right, I was like, why wouldn't running a riser to one of those four-way splitters work if this is pretty much the same thing? And what do you know? It did. So anyways, that's up and running still. Those white cards, I still have to replace a bunch of fans like these three right here, but these are the 3070s and they were running fine. Those are my 3060s, and these ones are all stuck, like hard to spin. So I am gonna be replacing these ones actually in the next like upcoming day or so. Maybe I'll do it on Saturday Night Live, who knows. But I already did do a couple of them. I missed that one. But either way, I only got 6 sets. So I did 3 already, and I have 3 more to do. I'm waiting on another 4 sets to come in so I can finish all of my cards. I'll have a total of 10 white GPUs with black fans. And we're gonna be installing them on this frame right here. So this video is basically gonna be about what is coming up next week. So I have hopefully a white mining rig build coming up. As you guys know, I already did do a white GPU mining rig, but it wasn't like a white frame and all that stuff. AAAWAVE actually sent over a white GPU frame. Let's check this thing out. Look at that, huh? All in the package. The picture is even the black frame. So this is a white 12 GPU sluice frame. I will build this in the next upcoming days, and you guys will see that in that video. I don't want to like spoil everything, so this is what that frame is. And we also have a package here that was sent over from GPUrisers.com. So let's dig into this and see what it's all about. I love how they have the orange tape because as soon as I get it, I know where it's from. Let's see. Look at that. Packing peanuts, my favorite. All right, so we got one big box. Jeez, this thing's heavy. And we have another big box. Just double check, make sure nothing else is in here. I'm gonna send this whole box over to Midnight Miner with nothing else in it, just packing peanuts. All right, let's check it out. And what do we have here? GPU Risers 120mm fan. So this is the brand new fan from GPUrisers.com. They are all white fans. And they have a white ring light on the outer edge, as well as a Molex connection, no small little 4-pin. This is amazing. I'm so excited. So he sent us a bunch of fans to basically fill up all of my 12 GPU sluice frames because we're gonna be doing some work in the grow tent next week. I actually have a bigger one coming in. It is literally 80 inches tall, but like 96 inches wide. Thing is massive, so that should be here next Wednesday. We're gonna disassemble the grow tent. We're gonna install all of these fans. Then we're gonna build this at some point in a later video. We're going to get all the white GPUs on that. It's gonna be a white and black theme. As you can tell, black fans, like I said, and white and black risers. Then we're gonna be using the ASRock H110 that has white and black PCIe spots. So I'm super pumped about it. I hope it's gonna look great. I'll actually have to change this. I have some white RAM. I might end up stealing the Crucial Ballistics out of my actual test bench because I don't really need all that RAM. So I'll probably steal that and throw that in here just so it's actually white and black all over. And yeah, man, that's gonna be great. I can't wait. So yeah, super excited. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below if this is something you're gonna be looking forward to or not. I know everybody is on a white GPU mining rig kick lately. You know, Red Panda Mining trying to get a whole bunch of white 3060s. And then we have Seb Heslow actually just did a whole white GPU mining rig build. Some ROG Strix GPUs. So that is pretty awesome. Yeah, I can't wait to build one for myself. So I'm pumped about these white fans. If you guys are interested in these, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Also, we do have a coupon code. It is Misfit Mining to get 10% off of your purchase. So please check that out. Again, that'll be down in the description as well. But yeah, so that's gonna be coming up next week. And then I do have some other stuff like kicking around idea-wise. I have this whole CPU mining wall that I really haven't done anything with because Raptorium's just been in the toilet lately. So I don't know, I've been really holding out to do this CL14 test. I just got this RAM in like 2 weeks ago and I just been sitting on it. It's literally hasn't went anywhere. And then I have my water block stuff that I need to do for my 3090 that's actually on that test bench. I think I'm gonna be taking it out and water blocking it. So I need to know if I should do that live or if you guys want me to just record it and make a video. It's gonna be an active backplate and a regular water block on that. I've never built a water-cooled system, so I'm super excited. I have my 420 millimeter radiator here. That's a pretty good radiator as far as I know. And yeah, like all top of the line EK parts. So I am super excited to do that as well. But yeah, I don't know. This is just a kind of ramble, rant video. I'm sorry, I really didn't have anything crazy planned. I've been literally all over the place lately, as you guys know, just trying to help all you guys out, overclocking stuff with Mr. Rondi. And yeah, all these cards down, really getting to me. On top of it being Christmas time, it's a lot of stuff going on. So I really haven't had a chance to actually make any special videos. One last thing actually, right here, Elmore Labs. I just got this in. Mad Electron Engineering actually posted a link in his last video when he went and visited Rondi. Let me get this out. I actually already built it up, but this is a tester basically. It tests your PCIe reading, how much power is going in and coming out, which is pretty sweet. So this I will leave down in the description below as well. This was the fastest thing I've ever had shipped to me from DHL. Literally, I ordered it on the weekend. It was here 3 days later. Impressive. So I got 2 of those. It comes with a bunch of cables and stuff to plug in and test. That'll be going on my test bench at some point. We'll be making some videos, I'm sure. And one last thing before I take off, I actually did purchase a startup solar system. So I'm super excited to kind of get this going. I don't know if this is going to be a part of the channel though. This is like a to build an off-grid system, and I would like to basically attach it to my mining trailer for now to get lights and all the necessities in there, just to I basically have free power for that. It's really not going to be so much mining stuff, but I mean, we'll see. I'm really not too sure what's going to happen with this, but I got 2 Battleborn batteries. I have 4 solar panels, 100 watts. They actually are monocrystalline. I actually paid good money for these solar panels. It was like $175 a piece, but they are very good in low light applications. So we don't need crazy sun. A haze is fine. I'm kind of keeping my hand over the label strategically if you guys didn't notice. And then I have a power inverter right there. It's like an all-in-one inverter and charge controller. Everything's all set up. So as always, guys, I appreciate you all for watching. Sorry, this is just a quick, short ramble video. In a little while, I'm actually gonna show you guys how to see more GPUs inside your MSI Afterburner, because I couldn't figure out how to see past 8, and then I figured it out. So really not too confusing. I'll make a short about that shortly. Please stay safe. Appreciate you all for watching. I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.